Hi guys, welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. Today let's check out how to make this 6-year timeline process in very simple steps. So please stay tuned. Alright, let's quickly start with inserting this shape. Alright, let's place it here. We don't need any outline. Let's go ahead and fill it with this color. Then insert a circle. And then we would need a straight line. So this line would be in the form of dashes. Then insert another circle, a smaller one, on this shape. And then we will have to fill it with white color. So that's all we need for this process diagram. So this is done. Group all of them and duplicate it. So we will need 6 of these shapes. So duplicate it, place it here. And then we will need this circle and this line below this arrow shape. So flip it, put it here, and then do the same. So just copy this, duplicate, place it here, duplicate this, place it here, duplicate this, place it here. So like this, and then change the colors of those shapes one by one. That's it. And then place the text boxes. That's it guys, it's done. So now we need to insert the icons and the shape would be ready. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel, share it and like it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.